Lavage du Bain, bonjour, hi. It's the end of the season, c'est la fin de la saison, alors on prend le temps de juste prendre un break. We're taking a break this weekend. We're in the Laurentians. The leaves have changed dramatically here. Let's flip the camera. Beaucoup de feuilles sur le sol, complètement différent de Montréal. So, like I said, many leaves here. It's not like Montreal. 2 hours away makes a big difference. Beautiful. Let's flip the camera. La fin de la saison est pour Lavage du Bain, mais Éclairage Extérieur Montréal commence lundi nos installations de lumière de Noël. So we're starting our Christmas light installations with Éclairage Extérieur Montréal. So follow us, like us, follow our page, our channel on YouTube, on Facebook. Éclairage Extérieur Montréal. We're starting Monday with 2 installations. Christmas is on its way. Noël s'en vient.